Dog's Life was filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Why are we watching nothing on TV?
It's not nothing. It's the best program there is.
Okay.
Three best friends and the dog. Here's Jack smoking a bong. Cyrus wrote this stupid song. And here comes James with his magnetron.
Oh, unless he...
Jack, you fucking sang it wrong.
You didn't fucking sing it wrong. Maybe if you opened your fucking ears for once, you'd actually listen.
Cut.
Why did I press one? I tried to fucking parry. What the fuck are you doing? Huh? How did that not connect?
Probably really.
Man! What the fuck?
Oh my god, perfect.
Tu joues encore à ces putains de jeux. La série est sortie il y a 6 mois.
Yeah, but enough my boy Harang, man. I have to come back to the original, you feel me?
Ferme ta gueule et fais quelque chose, mec. Mec, va te faire foutre 2 fois. Bref, va te faire foutre. Je m'en vais. Promener les chiens et les nourrir. C'est 2 choses que tu dois faire.
It's season 10, bro. I think we know how to take care of a dog.
Fais-les bien et fais très attention.
Yeah, fuck off.
Va te faire foutre.
Fuck you, man.
Va te faire foutre.
Fuck you!
Va te faire foutre.
Love you! Fucking cunt.
Fuck this stupid bitch. Bro, she belongs in a preschool, man. What is this? What? Who makes a range on Elo? What the fuck?
You're just so shit at the game, bro.
Do you wanna fucking die? Yeah? I'm fucking done with this, yeah? I don't wanna play this
Listen,
anymore.
bro, chill out, man. Alright, okay. What else you want to do then?
I don't know, man. Leslie, what do you want to do?
Feed me!
I'm not really feeling overcooked at the moment. Anything else?
Walk me!
Nah, man, we've watched 3 seasons of Attack on Titan, yeah? I cannot do this again. Seriously.
Yeah, absolutely not. Is there something we should have been doing?
Je m'en vais. Promener les chiens et les nourrir. C'est 2 choses que tu dois faire.
Oh shit! Symbol monkey. What? No, Jack told us to walk and feed the dog, bro.
Oh shit.
Come on, just do it now before he comes back.
Okay, come on.
About flipping time!
Wow, so this is the outside world.
Yeah, that's the last time you went outside, bro.
When did Overwatch 2 come out?
I don't know, a year ago?
Oh, then a year ago. Oh, you can let you off the leash here.
You sure?
Yeah, I let her all the time.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Leslie. Let's go.
And finally free from this eternal hell!
It's supposed to run off like that.
Leslie, no!
Great. Now we lost the dog, bro. Fuck.
A Dog's Life will return after these messages. Have you ever wanted to visit a place with the finest cuisine? Or a place with a bustling community? Or maybe a place with dazzling beaches? Well, you can't. But you can visit Harrow with our fantastic views. Plenty of fun for all the kids. Appropriate petrol prices. Free public gym equipment. Plenty of transport options. Big development investments. And wonderful community entertainment.
Yay.
So, what do you like about visiting Harrow then?
Well, it's wonderfully vibrant. I never expected it to be so ethnic.
Oh, okay. And why do you think other people should visit Harrow?
Well, I've had quite a lot of people come to me and say they'll chef me up. So I imagine the cuisine in this area is very excellent.
Okay. And finally, what are you doing in Harrow today, sir?
Well, I don't take trains often. Usually my driver Joffrey drives me around. However, I ended up on the wrong one and I ended up here. And then there was a very nice black man that I talked to, and I asked him to perform. It was very entertaining.
What do you like about Harrow?
Well, what I like about Harrow is that it's a great opportunity to meet new people. You can meet crackheads, alcoholics, family, friends, lonely people. Frankly, you can meet a lot of people. And what else is good about Harrow? Trains. Yeah. There's some really good trains. Like if you want to get out of Harrow, you can visit somewhere else. But like, why would you visit anywhere else other than Harrow? But yeah, Harrow's great.
Why should someone visit Harrow?
Well, the reason why I think people should visit Harrow is because, well, you can find a lot of people. Mainly some decent drug dealers. You've got great parks and stuff. Like here. This is a big park. You can also get on good trains, and we've got about 2 Nando's. Oh, and the best thing why you should visit Harrow is free Wenzels.
What are you doing in Harrow today?
Well, me, I'm gonna go find some drugs. So, if you want, come along. If not, fuck off or give me your money. No, but honestly, it's fine. I'm gonna go get some drugs. I'll see you later. Drugs! Drugs! Hey, drugs!
Oh. No.
Alright, so what do you like in Harrow?
The verticality of the place, I guess, and the high-speed transport.
Cool. So why should someone visit Harrow? No, it's not good.
Many reasons, too many to name.
Alright, and what are you up to today?
Don't worry about it. Hey, do you know anywhere that sells rope nearby?
So come and visit Harrow, because at least it's not Peckham. A Dog's Life will now return.
Leslie? Oh my god, Leslie?
Messi? Oh no.
Leslie?
Messi? James, we fucked it. We're never gonna find her.
We? What do you mean we? You're the one who told me to let off the leash.
Well, how was I supposed to know she'd run off?
Fuck's sake, bro. What are we gonna do now then?
I say, we move to Mexico, join the cartel, and become secret lovers.
What? No, what the fuck? Look, I'm telling you, she'll be around here somewhere, like... Oh!
Shit! It's Messi!
Oh my god. There's no way. We found you, buddy. Alright, let's get you home. Come on. Okay, okay, listen.
What a long day.
What the hell are you doing sitting down?
Resting.
Brother, you're the one who lost the dog. The least you can do is feed it.
Fuck's sake, man.
Jeez.
Make my day even longer. Alright, come on, let's eat. What do you want? There you go.
Nom 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 nom.
Oh, is that good, Leslie? You enjoying it?
Oui, c'est délicieux.
James?
Yeah, what?
James, the dog just spoke French.
What do you mean? That's impossible. Leslie's Romanian. Isn't that right, Leslie?
Qui est Leslie? Je m'appelle François.
Oh shit! We've got the wrong dog. Jackson fucking kill us.
Fuck! That's Jack! Just act normal. Follow me to the couch.
Les gars, vous allez bien.
Yo, Jack, what's up, bro? How's your day going? How's your day?
Merde, ça ne pourrait pas être pire. Et vous les gars, vous avez nourri le chien?
Yeah, she's all here, you know, isn't that right, Cyrus?
Yes, exactly the same dog.
Ça va Leslie? Comment ça va?
Fantastique. Ma nouvelle famille est la meilleure.
Eh bien, vous avez fait quelque chose de bien alors. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à la télé?
Three best friends and the dog. Here's Jack smoking a bong. Cyrus wrote a stupid song. And here comes James with his magnum dog.
Fuck!